Hi everyone, welcome to my crochet world, and today we will crochet very interesting nursery basket. Let's start. What we need: wooden base for my nursery basket. I will use this one, this frozen cappuccino t-shirt yarn, this beautiful blue. I will use like additional color, very beautiful. They need a crochet hook 9mm. Let's start. In first row I use this hook, and let's start. I will crochet first row like one single crochet row. It's very simple. I crochet 2 or 3 single crochet. I prefer 2. It's better for walls, in my opinion, of course. Let's crochet with one single crochet the second side. Usually I use for this yarn 7-10mm hook, but now I use this because we need to crochet in these holes. It's a problem with this hook. Well. And let's finish to crochet the bottom. Slip stitch to join. And now I move on to the first round of my basket. And I change my hook. 9mm will be good. Let's crochet first round with single crochet, 1 chain, and first round we crochet 1 single crochet in each chain behind the back of the loop. Repeat around and join. Let's finish first round. I join 1 chain. The next rounds I will crochet with waistcoat stitch, is also known as central single crochet, when the stitch look like a little V or like knit stitches. We need to add blue color. I crochet 1 single crochet in the center of each single crochet between 2 parts of previous single crochet, and it's look like small V or like knit stitch. And I want to change the color because I want small hearts like this. I change color, crochet with waistcoat stitches or central single crochet. One single crochet in the center of single crochet and repeat around. Well, I finish the second round with slip stitch. The third round I will crochet only in beige color without blue. Let's start. I don't use this blue color, blue thread in the first round. I use it only like additional support for my wall. The third round I crochet with beige seam at the end of the round. In the next round I want to change color again. This round I will crochet with color changing, and again color changing. And we repeat this pattern and see you in the last round. And I finish the last round. I want to bind with slip stitch. It's my favorite binding. It's very, very simple and fast. And bind around. And I finish my basket. Now I need the hook with needle eye. Let's weave in end. Okay, my basket is done. I'm in love with these colors. It's very beautiful. Frozen cappuccino and blue. It's very beautiful t-shirt. This yarn I unpack with you. Thank you for watching this video. Have a good crochet weekend. And see you soon in new videos. Let's crochet, let's create together. Bye!